wish I had on the box. I see you. Like the usual conception we have for boxers is like it's like this. Go this way. People like this got with their friends.
Hey, how you doing?
These are your fans, exactly. That's my teacher. This is my friend.
I stayed away on some of the last like 2-5 days.
Together, for our exhibition May 14th. So we want to make sure, our family and friends are okay. Everything is where it needs to be.
Okay, so that means we won't be able to have you there. But what to tell you is one of the reasons why we wanted to meet with you was.
Yes, like he said that already on the press.
Oh yeah, we talked about that earlier. The ultimate goal is to find the next Floyd Mayweather, and working with Ken as well as my team. We got Brent from One Entertainment. We got James McNair, my right hand man. He's going to fly over here. I'll fly over here. We'll constantly meet, we'll talk, we'll make sure we're all on the same page, and then we'll slowly start building these fighters and pushing these fighters to be great.
Okay, so we're available. Okay.
It's all about giving back. It's about helping the youth and the young generation coming up.
If we do that, we're going to create some wealth because of the youth.
Yes.
It's very good. I'm told that money is an emphasis in that.
A little bit.
Okay. Well, okay. If so.
Yeah, if that's the opportunity when that's one of the reasons why he came. So we talk about building Mayweather boxing and fitness, helping the Nigerian youths.
Yeah, but we built the boxing camps for the kids.
It's for the kids. For the
Nigerian kids. And then what we can also do is we can have trainers, different American trainers, come over and work with the young youth. I'll come over and work with the young children also.
Yeah, so we go out the youth of
So anytime I'm taking trips over, overseas, if I'm close around this area, I speak with Ken and we'll come over and visit.
We're grateful. We're grateful if all this happens. We're grateful to you because you'll be able to afford the young men of the opportunity to come into the boxing.
It's so much talent, and as you can see in the sports world, over in the U.S., Africa is dominating in the sports world in the U.S. now. So it's so much hidden talent, so much skills. So we want the world to be able to see the skills. We don't want it to be hidden from the world. We want the world to be able to see the talent, the skills. Like I was able to display my skills and my talent to the world. So here I am today.
And you're great. I like the conception of an African boxer. When you see them like this, you get scared. So when I saw that it just looked normal, I was wondering. But that's good to see the money. Okay, so you do have a safe trip. We'll be glad to watch. I'll be glad to watch. I'll watch the match.
We'll bring a match over here.
Yeah, that'd be great too. And now I talk to you.
Yeah, we'll talk about that. Yeah.
We can do that also. You know that. We can make that happen. Yeah. Make it huge.
Just start in Nigeria. I'm Mayweather boxing and fitness. Academic. The yes. Of Nigeria.
And gym.
These gyms, it's crazy. We opening gyms all around the world.
Sorry, let have a group photograph, please.
Yes.
The friends, yes.
Let me go down.
Okay.
Let me have 12 here, please.
They're going to miss that. They'll come back later. Oh, yes. Yeah, I'll stay. I'm leaving the house.
Go to the airport. Drive it down.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.